Welcome back to Grill This Smoke That. Tonight we are cooking a reverse seared ribeye on the CampChef Woodwind. I recently got this CampChef Woodwind 36-inch pellet smoker. They did send it to me for free, but did not ask me for any kind of advertisement. They simply said, use it in some of your cooks. You don't have to say anything specific, so that's what you're getting. I have a ribeye already set out of the refrigerator. I already have my seasoning on it. We're gonna get it on the CampChef Woodwind. I have it set at 225 degrees. The smoke setting is set to 5, and we're gonna bring it up to temperature of about 130 degrees here, and then we're going to sear it over here on their griddle. This is an optional attachment called the sidekick, and you see I have the flat griddle on it, similar to my Blackstone that I already have on the other side of my deck over here. But we're gonna do the complete reverse sear using only the CampChef today and see how it turns out. Have the steak coated in hardcore carnivore black on all sides. So the CampChef smoker comes with 4 probes that you can use. Feed it through the hole in the side of the grill here. And I'm gonna put it right next to my meter probe. I don't fully trust this yet because I haven't used it. And I'm gonna stick it in, and I'm gonna monitor the temperature with both the meter and with the probe from the CampChef just to see how it does. Here's what the controls look like on this device. You use this dial to set different things, but we have it set up right now for 225 degrees, and then the 89 is for the probe that's going in right here and going into the steak. So it's got a little hole on the side that you can run up to 4 probes that plug in on the side over here. This is the hopper for the pellets. Today I'm using the CampChef Competition Blend. If you're curious about how hot this griddle can get, it gets well over 550 degrees. I'm gonna turn it down because I do not want it over about 525 for searing today. This griddle doesn't need to be seasoned. It's ready to go straight from the factory. But I am gonna add some bacon up. I'm gonna throw my steak down. It'd be awesome if you'd take the time to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'm adding the weight to make sure I get good surface contact. Gonna flip it to a new spot on the griddle. I sear for about 1 minute per side. Don't forget to sear the edges. I love searing on hot griddles because you get this crust that goes across the whole steak and not just grill marks like you would on a hot cast iron grill grate. Let's see how we did. We got a beautiful wall-to-wall pink with a nice seared crust. This steak turned out really good, but I am going to play around with the different types of wood pellets that you can use because I want a little bit different flavor profile. I want more of the flavor that I get from the Big Green Egg cooking over that natural oak lump charcoal. If you like this style video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I try to post weekly, cooking on either the CampChef, the Big Green Egg, or the Blackstone. If you like the shirt I'm wearing in the video, you can order your own by clicking the link in the description. You'll also find some Amazon affiliate links in there to other products that I use for grilling. Click any of the videos shown on the screen right now and they'll open right up on your device. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day.